we're going to remove a VW door glass. If you want to know how to remove the door panel, watch some of my previous videos and it will tell you how to remove the door panel. But for this video we're going to be removing the door glass. What you want to do is remove the bolts around the edges of the window regulator. Okay, once you've stripped your door panel, the next thing you need to do is remove these black rubber grommets. And inside, you're going to see this. You'd have to wind your window down about, I don't know, 2 inches I'd say. 2 or 3 inches from the top. Once you get that down to about 2 or 3 inches from the top, you should be able to see the Torx screws that are holding it in. So I'm going to loosen them and I'm going to try and bring the window out. We are going to use a Torx 30 for this one. Okay. That's a bit tough to see, but once you've loosened it out, and then this is how you take out your passenger side door glass. Okay, once you've removed your door panel, it's now time to remove the window motor. You're going to need a Torx T30. Then this should just pull out. And that's how you removed the window motor. This is stuck in with mastic around the edge, so this is going to need a little bit of help on the way out. I use a screwdriver. No one really sees the paint behind here, so I do take a chance with, you know, a little bit of scratches. Okay, so I managed to find the spline tool in one of my boxes. Next is a Torx 20 to release the lock handle. Once you've loosened it, just ease out the lock. In all honesty, this should be enough to get it out, but I'm going to show you how to get it out. It's kind of that simple. I don't know if you can see that in there, but it is still attached to this. In there. So you're going to have to ease it out to release it. And now you should see the mechanism I just dropped. Just dropped up. You should be able to see the mechanism. So it just clips off, and then you've got your control module out.